Hello everyone, and welcome to your at-home 15-minute flow, allowing yourself to stretch out and relax. There will be no vinyasas built into this practice, just a nice way for you to stretch as we move together. You'll notice I have a new buddy with me. Please meet Carey. She's new to our family, and this is her first time practicing with us. So we might need to take a few breaks here and there, maybe. She might have figured out what to do, though. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining, and let's get started in child's pose. Extend your arms nice and long in front of you. Let your forehead come down to the mat. And let your elbows slightly bend to the sides if you feel any pressure in the shoulder bones. And just take some nice slow breaths in and out as we practice together. Inhaling and exhaling. Allow yourself to feel the softness of your hips touching your heels, your forehead pressing down, and the relaxation in your back and hips. And then on your next breath, I invite you forward in a tabletop, hands and knees. And then just give yourself a little booty bump from side to side. Good. Now you're going to gently start to sway the spine, inhaling. Good. Exhaling. Let's do that again. Inhaling and exhaling. Good. Last one together. Inhale. You found your spot. And exhale. Good. Take your time, and when you're ready, very slowly and carefully, tuck your toes, lift your hips high. Good. Soft bend the knees, push back with both hands. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, walk your feet all the way forward to your hands. Inhale, halfway lift your spine, gaze moves forward. Exhale, fold in. Stand super tall, reach high, take a full breath as you lean back. Good, folding forward, hands through heart center, all the way back down. Inhale, lengthen the spine halfway. Good, exhale, step your left foot back. Press your left hand down. Inhale, raise your right arm high. Exhale, frame your right foot. Pull your legs back to straight. Use your blocks here if you need to. We're going to repeat that. Bend your right knee. Raise your right arm to twist. Full breath in. Exhale, release your hand, and then pull your hips back. Good. Repeat last time. Bend. Sweep your arm up high. Good. Exhale, hand comes down. And then pull your hips back. Beautiful. Bend your knee forward. Lower your back knee down this time. Bring your palms together. Reach all the way up to the sky, letting your right knee bend forward for me. Good. Exhale. When you're ready, release the palms down. Take your time. Step back to down dog. Big push with the hips. Walk your hands back to your feet this time. Now a forward fold at the back of your mat. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand tall. Reach all the way up into the air. Good. Exhale, bow forward with me. Hands back to toes. Inhale as we find length. Good. Exhale, widen your feet. When you're ready, ground your left hand slightly in front of your left foot. Bend your left knee. Raise your right arm super high to the sky. Open up your chest. Good. Take another breath in here. Exhale, release your palm. Let's go ahead and hit the other side. Inhale, raise your left arm up high. Good. Stretch. Exhale, lower your left hand slowly down to the ground. Beautiful. And then from there, walk it forward. Good. Exhale, you're in down dog. Your hips are high. Gaze to your hands. This time, step or float to the top. Halfway lift. Fold forward. Now, just a reminder, I did tell you stand all the way up. We're not doing any vinyasas in this 15 minutes. Exhale, bow down. But if you wanted to add one in here and there, you're always welcome to do that. Inhale to lengthen. Good. Exhale to fold in. From here, step your right foot back for me. Right hand stays rooted. Raise your left arm high. Big opening of the chest. Twist for me. 3. Press through your back heel a little bit more. 2. Exhale, release your hand down. Good. Pull your hips back for me. Straighten your leg. Bow down over the shin. And then repeat. Bend your knee. Raise your left arm to the sky. Open up. Good. Exhale, release. Straighten your front leg. Fold in. You just have one more. Let your head, neck, and shoulders drop down. Good. Bending your knee forward. Inhale, twist. One more time. Open up the heart. Good. Exhale, release. Pull your hips backwards. Beautiful. Bend your knee forward. Lower your back knee. Let your palms touch here. Inhale, come all the way up. Good. Lean it back. Lift your heart. Take a full breath. Good. Last inhale together. And then exhale, frame your foot. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Down dog is your destination. Push back. This time, raise your right leg high to the sky. Exhale, step through. Come all the way up into high lunge. Raise both arms. Take your hands in a big circle. Interlace your fingers at your low back. Lean back. Open up your heart. Good. Hinge forward with me. Bow down. Feel your shoulder blades hug in together. Raise your arms. Humble warrior. 3. Good. 2. Hands release to the mat from here. Left leg lifts up. Bend your left knee. Open up your hip gently. Good. Feel the thigh rotate up. Reach your right arm up. Grab hold of your foot that's in the air, kicking your foot into your hand, deepening your stretch. Last breath in. Exhale, release the leg long. Release it all the way back. Pivot left, wide-legged straddle for me. Good. Bow down here. Hips high, head lowers. Hold. 3. Good. 2. And then on 1, take your time. You're going to pivot back to the front of your mat. And then meet me in down dog. 1, 2, 3. Remember, I'm not cueing the vinyasas, nor am I encouraging them, but that's where you could add one in. Left leg floats. Left foot steps through. Both arms gently rise when you're ready into your high lunge. Good. Exhale, pause here, bend your front knee. Sweep your arms behind your back, interlace your fingers. Open up your chest. Hinge and bow. Raise your knuckles. 3. Good. Squeeze the inner thighs towards the midline. 2. Gracefully release your hands down on 1. Right leg pops up from here. Knee bends, hip opens. We stay or we lift our left arm and grab hold of our foot in the air and then kick and lift our foot into our palm as we lift our kneecap even higher. 3. Keep stretching. 2. Good. This time extend your leg long. Both hands come down. Both feet come together. Good. Chair pose. You've already done your wide-legged straddle, so this time sit into those hips. Good. Take your arms backwards for what we call airplane arms. Sit a little bit lower. Good. Hold on to it. When you're ready, inhale, reach all the way up. Straight legs, straight arms. Exhale, forward fold, hands touch toes. Good. Inhale to your flat back. Gaze moves you forward. Exhale, this time fold. Grab the backs of your legs. Pull your chest in and down. 3. Good. Lift up with your tailbone, 2. Exhale very carefully and slowly. Allow yourself to widen your feet. Wider than we did before at the back of our mat. Drop down. Now you're in Malasana. So your hands are at heart center. Your heart and your thumbs are pressing together for me. Nice. Hello, Miss Carey. Good. Hold for 3, 2. And then on 1, you're going to gracefully plop your bottom down without falling. Pull your knees right in. Maybe hold your feet. Maybe straighten your legs. Maybe don't hold on. Maybe just reach forward nice and strong. Boat for 4, 3, 2. Halfway down or hover. So here we go. Straight legs. Abs drawing in. Arms long. Hold it. Come back up. Beautiful. And then release to seated. Sit up tall. Good. Inhale, slowly twist right. Right hand behind your back, left hand outside of your knee. Rotate. 3. Good. 2. And then switch sides on 1. Twist left. Good. Rotate. 3. Keep rotating through the midline. 2. And 1. Perfect. Now I'm going to scoot back just so I can give her a little bit of room. You're going to start to walk your hands forward into a forward fold, draping your chest over your shins. Good. Stay in it. 3 more breaths. One more. And then gently rise all the way up from there. Beautiful. Let your knees come in as you lay down onto your back. Pull your knees in super tight. Plant your feet on the earth. Gently elevate your hips up to the sky, hugging your knees inward, pressing your hips upwards. So really activating the legs, pressing down into the palms, feeling the effort in the glutes for 3. Good. Keep squeezing the inner thighs together as you press your hips upwards. 2. And then carefully lower your hips all the way down on 1. Good. Right knee is going to come in. Left leg is going to lengthen long in front of you. Hug the right knee in nice and tight. Perfect. Bring it across the body into a nice spinal twist. Rotating here, reaching away with the opposite arm. Taking some time to stretch out through the chest and your shoulders, but also feeling the knee come across the body. Good. Inhale, bring your knee back to neutral. Exhale, switch. Left knee comes in slowly. Right leg lengthens. Left knee keeps coming in on your inhale. Exhale, take a twist. Good. Extend long through the left arm. Feel the opening in your chest for 3. Good. Deep breath in, deep breath out for 2. And then when you're ready, very peacefully and slowly return back to neutral. You'll pull both knees into your chest. Lovely job. From there, we're going to take our time. Big inhale for me. Exhale into happy baby, where you're going to rock gently from one side of the mat to the other. Good. Just feeling the opening here as you rock from left to right. And then bring your feet together. Bring your face towards your feet. Find that deep pull, really, really, really deep stretch. Rounding kind of through the back, neck, and shoulders. Nice. Another breath in. Good. Exhale. Take your time. Press your feet all the way up to the sky. And then very carefully lower them to the mat for 5, for 4, for 3. We're about to get into a hover in 2. Hover, abs are engaged. 1. Good. Inhale, stretch your arms over your head. Exhale, right hand to your heart, left hand to your belly. Let your elbows softly fall to the sides of your body and close your eyes. Feel the experience and softness of Shavasana, the ability to enjoy stillness and being here and now. Good. Fully inhaling and fully exhaling with each breath. Finding this quiet mindset within yourself. Good. Take 2 more full rounds of breath. And then when you're ready, we're going to gently allow the arms to reach out and up or just out. Let your knees gently come into the chest. You can stay on your back for longer. I invite you to come up with me. Bring your hands to heart center. Close your eyes. Exhale. Thank you so much for joining me for this short time on your mat and joining Carey for her first practice. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a beautiful day. Namaste.